You've probably heard of YouTube. It is clear that you are on the YouTube website because you are currently watching this video. Do you know that you can watch music videos on YouTube and earn $10 for each song you listen to, $50 for each song you listen to, and $200 for each song you listen to every day? With a computer or smartphone, you can finish that swiftly in 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can just repeat the same process. This offer is free, and regardless of where you are in the globe, you might still get money just by watching music videos on YouTube. Keep watching because I'll disclose some incredible methods for increasing your income so you may earn 5 times as much money with no more work. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I wanted to visit Current.us as soon as possible. Playing music in Current earns you rewards. Be sure to pay great attention as I demonstrate a few programs that you may download for free to your phone. I'll also show you how to play a song, what music to play, and other advice that will help you earn more money. Don't skip any of the stuff in this video. Stick with it and watch it all the way through. You may do it while working, relaxing, running, or doing whatever else you want to do while allowing music to play in the background and still generate money. You may find I want to earn prizes while I'm running on their main website. This app is accessible to iPhone users via the App Store and to Android users via the Google Play Store. Before continue, make sure you downloaded the right application. The Current logo is shown here. 4.4 stars were awarded to the app out of 111,000 reviews. It is a fairly nice and sturdy program that is entirely legal. Before I show you the actual example inside the account, I want to show you that they have more than 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube. You can choose between offline and internet music listening. Again, using this app is totally free, and by listening to your favorite music, you may accumulate points that can be exchanged for real money. Once you've downloaded the app from your Google Play or App Store, you may listen to the radio station that plays YouTube songs. After signing into your account, you can see something similar. Pay close attention because this is just one method for playing music and making money. Stay with me, and I'll show you 2 methods that you can play music and make money. By scrolling down below the homepage for YouTube Music, you may uncover a ton of songs, playlists, and artists. There is a large range of suggested music, and you can earn money fully automatically by playing YouTube Music while using the Current website. I spent a lot of effort into this playlist, for example. There are many tunes waiting to be played. If I add the music to this playlist, it will play the first song when it is done, then the next, and so on. Every song, including those for which you will be paid, is played automatically during the event. The real fun starts when you have the choice to loop the playlist. As you can see, by hovering my cursor over the icon in the bottom right corner, I can utilize the repeat button. Once the entire playlist is finished playing from the first song to the last song, they will automatically go back to the first song and replay it, allowing me to continue making money. Here is the additional advice I would like to provide you. Make sure you have a large number of songs in the queue first. You can have 20 songs in your queue to make money more rapidly. Second, when you go to the main page, you will see this hot list. When you select the hot list, you can view additional suggested and better quality videos as well as music videos. I'll say it again. Choose one of these videos as Current will play more of it. Once more, pay close attention because Current, not YouTube, will be paying you. This application allows you to sync music from YouTube so that you get compensated for listening to the music there. This is the original method of making money while performing music. I'd like to show you the second method, which is far more widely used. Maybe you watch YouTube videos on a regular basis, like you are doing right now. Are you aware that by simply playing and listening to playlists of music like this one, Pop Hits 2021, Top 40 Popular Songs, over and over again, you may make money? I'll use an example for you. I'm going to open 3 tabs on my computer. The first tab I've opened on my Google Chrome browser is this one. After that, I'll open a second and third tab to listen to more music. There are currently 3 music playlists playing. The second tactic is to continuously make money while listening to music by having multiple tabs open. I'd like to provide you a few example tips that can help you enhance your revenue. First of all, you can listen to music on YouTube that lasts for at least an hour. You'll make more money if you play more music and play it for longer. To speed things up, another piece of advice is to select the Choices button. By default, the pace is normal, but you can double it and play the song considerably faster by choosing the playback speed. As a result, you'll be able to listen to music more and make more money. You can still play music effectively if you want to play them frequently, even if you have a slow internet connection or a lot of people sharing your Wi-Fi by adjusting the quality to 144p, which I'm going to teach you how to do, so that it doesn't consume as much internet bandwidth as when I open 3 tabs to listen to music. It's crucial to reduce the quality to 144. The music will keep playing as you do other things. Make sure your YouTube radio station is once more connected to the current music program. When you link them, you may play them on a YouTube platform, as I showed you, or you can use the first way, which involves using the YouTube Music platform. Any of these strategies can be used. I want to give you the last bonus. This brand new Google Chrome extension allows you to view YouTube playback speed settings. This is accessible on both PCs and mobile devices and may be downloaded for free using Google Chrome. When you download this version of Google Chrome, something magical happens. You can play this on your phone at 3 times the speed because the maximum speed on YouTube is only 2 times. With the help of this Google Chrome extension, playback can be speeded up 3 times. The speed can be adjusted in the top right corner. The speed of YouTube playback can be changed by using the keyboard. By using the matching plus or minus buttons, you can adjust the playing speed. By downloading this extension, you may play music on the YouTube and YouTube Music platform much faster, which can help you earn a ton of money. At the conclusion of this video, I'd like to offer you some more advice. You can get the Current Rewards offline music application for nothing by going to the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.